Hey there, money-making enthusiasts. Tshoko here, your trusted online money-making researcher. Today, I've got an incredible new method to share with you, one that can put cash in your pocket, $2.40 every 2 minutes. And the best part? It's perfect for beginners in 2023. But before we dive in, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on the latest, greatest ways to boost your income online. Now, I know some might think $2.40 every 2 minutes sounds small, but trust me, this method works on autopilot. In just 1 hour, that's a cool $70. Multiply that by 24 hours in a day, and you could be looking at $1,700. And here's the kicker, it's all about tapping into a viral wave that could double your earnings. Before we dive into this exciting method, I want to make it crystal clear, this video and the information provided here are for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and the success of any online money-making method is not guaranteed. Always do your due diligence, research, and consult with a financial professional before making any significant financial decisions. Your earnings may vary, and there are no guarantees in the world of online money-making. Now, with that said, let's explore this intriguing method and learn how it works. So, what's the secret sauce behind this method? Well, we'll be using the CPA Grip network. They pay higher than most other networks, $2.40 per offer, to be exact. Here's how to get started. Let's dive into the heart of this incredible method. It all begins with the CPA Grip network, and it's your gateway to higher earnings. What sets CPA Grip apart is its impressive payout of $2.40 per offer, which is a significant advantage compared to many other networks out there. Now, let's get you started on this exciting journey with CPA Grip. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through every step. 1. The first step is to head over to the CPAgrip.com. You'll find it's a user-friendly platform, and it won't cost you a dime to join. 2. Sign up for a free account by clicking on the register button. We've got your back, and we'll walk you through all the details required for a hassle-free registration. 3. When prompted to select your publisher type, go with Website Incognito. It's an essential choice that helps get your account approved and ready for action. Before we go any further, I want to take a moment to acknowledge and thank our incredible community of subscribers. Your support is the driving force behind our commitment to bringing you valuable insights. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of this fantastic community. By joining CPA Grip and following these steps, you're setting yourself up for success in the world of online money-making. The network's ability to offer high payouts is a game changer, and we're here to help you make the most of it. So, let's dive deeper into this method and explore the incredible potential it holds for your financial journey. So, you've made it to the inside of CPA Grip. Now, let's talk about the magic that happens when you choose the right offers. Here's your next step. 1. Accessing the Offers section. Once you're inside the platform, navigate to the Offers section. This is your treasure trove of money-making opportunities, and it's where the real fun begins. 2. Selecting the United States. To maximize your earning potential, choose the United States as your target location. This ensures you're tapping into offers that are not only exciting but also highly rewarding. Before we move forward, let me take a moment to express our gratitude to our subscribers. Your support fuels our passion for sharing these lucrative opportunities with you. If you haven't joined our community yet, now is the perfect time to subscribe and embark on this journey to financial success. The exciting part is that this is where you get to personalize your strategy. The United States offers a wide range of enticing possibilities, and you're in control of selecting the ones that align with your goals. To all our subscribers, thank you for being a part of our community. Your enthusiasm and engagement inspire us to keep providing you with these incredible money-making methods. As we proceed, we'll delve deeper into how to promote these offers effectively and create that viral effect for maximum earnings. But remember, our journey doesn't stop here. We've got more exceptional opportunities and strategies lined up, and we can't wait to share them with you. Before we continue, I want to thank our existing subscribers for your ongoing support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on a world of financial possibilities. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's make some money! Get ready, because it's time to unleash your creativity and make that offer go viral. This is where the real fun and potential for big earnings come into play. Creating a viral post. You'll want to create a post that catches the eye and sparks curiosity. Remember, we're aiming for viral status, and that means your post needs to stand out. Selecting the perfect image. Images matter a lot. Choose an image that's visually appealing and directly related to the offer. It should entice viewers to stop scrolling and take a closer look. Crafting compelling copy. Your copy should be attention-grabbing and informative. Tell your audience why they should jump on this opportunity. Use persuasive language to pique their interest. Engaging the audience. Encourage your audience to take action. Whether it's retweeting, tagging a friend, or clicking the link, make sure your post prompts engagement. Adding a call to action. Don't forget to include a clear call to action. Whether it's retweeting, tagging, or clicking, guide your audience on the steps they need to follow. And for all our subscribers, thank you for being part of our growing community. Your support fuels our passion for sharing these incredible money-making methods with you. But we're not stopping here. The journey to financial success is ongoing, and we've got more exciting strategies and opportunities coming your way. You won't want to miss out on what's next. To ensure that this method reaches its full potential, you'll need to actively engage your audience on platforms like Twitter. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Connect with your audience. Start by connecting with your audience on Twitter. Follow like-minded individuals, engage with their content, and build a network of people interested in the offers you're promoting. Create a dedicated Twitter account. To keep your personal and promotional activities separate, consider creating a dedicated Twitter account for these money-making offers. This way, your audience knows what to expect from your tweets. But we're not stopping here. The journey to financial success is ongoing, and we've got more exciting strategies and opportunities coming your way. You won't want to miss out on what's next. Here's a little secret to ensure the money keeps flowing: the special hack of adding one entry every 24 hours. It's a clever trick that can significantly boost your earnings. Here's how it works. Increasing your earning frequency. By adding one entry every 24 hours, you're essentially setting up a system where your earnings can reset and accumulate more frequently. It's like having multiple streams of income working for you. Satisfying the eager audience. People are naturally inclined to want more, especially when it comes to exciting offers. By allowing one entry every 24 hours, you satisfy the curiosity and enthusiasm of your audience, making them more likely to engage with the offers repeatedly. Expanding your profits. As the same individuals who completed the offer once return to do it again, your profits can multiply. With the ability to do this daily, you'll see your earnings grow substantially. We're not stopping here. We've got an array of incredible money-making strategies lined up, ready for you to explore. Subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and stay tuned for more opportunities to boost your income. The path to financial success is right in front of you. Don't hesitate. The method we're exploring isn't limited to just a few dollars. You have the power to maximize your earnings by scaling up. Imagine setting up multiple campaigns, each earning you $2.40 every 2 minutes. It's not just a one-time deal, it's a replicable strategy that can lead to substantial income over time. While we've highlighted one offer in this video, there's a whole world of options out there. You can explore various products and services to find the ones that resonate with your audience the most. The more diversified your approach, the more money you can potentially make. The beauty of this method is its potential for continuous income. With the special hack of adding one entry every 24 hours, you create a cycle of earnings. As more people engage with your promotions, your income keeps growing, providing a steady stream of money in your pocket. Virality is the secret ingredient here. As people start retweeting your offers and tagging their friends, you initiate a viral loop. Your posts can be seen by a broader audience, leading to more engagement and more money in your account. It's a powerful way to leverage social networks to your financial advantage. If you're excited about this method, you'll be thrilled to know that we're constantly researching and testing new ways to make money online. In upcoming videos, we'll explore more cutting-edge methods, tools, and strategies, so stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates. We also want to hear from you. If you've tried this method or any others we've covered on our channel, please share your success stories in the comments below. Your experiences can inspire others in our community and provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of these online money-making techniques. Our community is all about helping each other succeed. If you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments section. Your feedback is invaluable in shaping our content and addressing your specific interests and concerns. Together, we can work towards financial success. So, there you have it, the secret to getting paid plus $2.40 every 2 minutes. But we're not stopping here. We've got more incredible opportunities and strategies lined up, just waiting for you. If you'd like to support our channel even further, you can donate by clicking the link in the description. And hey, we've got some fantastic merchandise you can purchase. Simply email us at thokatrading@gmail.com for more details. Don't forget, your engagement matters to us. Leave a comment, like this video, share it with your friends, and stay tuned for more amazing content. Thank you for watching this video. Your journey to financial freedom is just beginning. Subscribe, like, share, and watch our next video. And remember, your success is our success. If you're interested in our video editing services, email us for details. And for those curious about the website we discussed today, email us, and we'll provide you with the link. If you're in need of business funding, check the link in the description. And last but not least, you can transform your home into a cash machine with the book Transform Your Home into a Cash Machine. Find it in the description as well. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial success today. Hit that subscribe button, and let's make some money.